Hi guys, welcome back to my Amazin Kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my chicken nuggets recipe with you. And guys, this is a recipe I'm so excited about because you need just few ingredients and the flavors are out of the world. They taste better than the one you even get from your fast food joints. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. So over here I have about 400 grams of boneless chicken thighs which I have cut into bite-sized pieces. And you really need chicken thighs for this recipe because chicken breast is going to become really dry and tough and you are not going to like the outcome. So I've added a bit of salt, some white pepper, I'm adding some onion powder, some paprika powder, and I'm also going to be adding some garlic powder, and I will list all the ingredients in the description box below as always. When all the seasonings are added, you want to give it a quick mix until every single chicken is coated in that beautiful seasoning. Now that the chicken is seasoned to my satisfaction, I'm going to set it aside and crack an egg into a separate bowl. I'm going to lightly beat my egg and add it to my chicken. I'm then going to mix it together. When that's done, we are going to cover it and let it marinate for about an hour at least or overnight. After about an hour, we are going to heat up some oil, and whilst that's heating up, I've already added about a pinch of salt to 4 tablespoons of corn flour, to which I'm also going to be adding some seasoning. We just give it a quick stir, and in goes our chicken. Well, try to do it gently and not create a mess like I just did. We are now going to mix everything together until a light coating is formed on the chicken. And this is actually the reason why we need corn flour in this recipe. Well, you may use regular flour, but you may have to reduce the amount you use so that your coating doesn't become too thick. Well, it will still be tasty, but the texture will be slightly different from mine. Our oil is nicely heated, so we are going to fry our chicken nuggets. Now, we don't want the oil to be extremely hot, you just want it somehow medium. If not, your chicken nugget is going to burn. Remember, we cut them into bite-sized pieces so they cook really fast. We are going to fry them for just about 5 to 7 minutes depending on how big or small you cut your chicken. And our chicken nuggets are done. I'm going to transfer them onto a paper towel for it to catch some of the excess oil. Just look at how gorgeous they are. Perfectly fried chicken nuggets, so juicy on the inside. I mean, you really need to try this recipe. I can promise you that this recipe is going to become the new favorite in your household once you try it. And don't just keep it to yourself. Be generous and kind enough to share it with your friends and family because I know it is going to be useful and helpful to them. And moreover, they are going to thank you for it. Like I always say, cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.